Budget planning. To calculate your income, you need to consider all sources of revenue or earnings you receive during a specific period, such as a month or a year. Here's a general guideline on how to calculate your income. Determine your income sources. Identify all the channels through which you earn money. This may include employment income, wages, salaries, tips, bonuses, commissions, etc. from your job. Self-employment income, profits from a business or freelance work. Rental income, earnings from renting out properties or assets. Investment income, dividends, interest, capital gains from investments. Other sources: alimony, child support, royalties, pensions, social security benefits, etc. Gather your financial records. Collect relevant documents that provide details about your income, such as pay stubs, invoices, bank statements, investment statements, rental income records, etc. Calculate your gross income. Add up all the income amounts from each source. This will give you your gross income before any deductions or taxes. Consider deductions or expenses. Determine if there are any deductions or expenses that you can subtract from your gross income to arrive at your net income. This may include business expenses, rental property expenses, retirement contributions, healthcare costs, and other eligible deductions. Subtract taxes. Calculate the amount of taxes you owe based on your taxable income. The tax rate and calculation method vary depending on your country and applicable tax laws. Consult a tax professional or use tax software to determine your tax liability accurately. Calculate your net income. Subtract your total deductions and taxes from your gross income to arrive at your net income. This represents the actual amount of money you take home after all expenses and taxes have been accounted for. It's worth noting that the process of calculating income can be more complex depending on your specific circumstances, such as if you have multiple income sources, are self-employed, or have various tax considerations. In such cases, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor or tax professional to ensure accurate calculations.